up, guys? What's going on? Today is Friday. It's 6:30 currently right now. I'm on my way to Long Island right now to meet up with one of my friends, Damien. He actually picked up a transmission for me that I really needed. I've been looking for one. So he picked up a GSR transmission for me. The dude lived right by him, so what I basically just did was that I gave the dude the money and then asked Damien if he could pick it up for me, because he said he lives like 10 minutes away from the guy. So he just picked it up for me about when was it, like Wednesday? So it's been like 2 days. So I'm out of work now, so I'm gonna head over to him now. It's gonna take me a little while to get there, about an hour because of the traffic. I'm gonna go pick up the trans, look at it, make sure everything is good. We're not gonna open it, we're just gonna look at it. He went through the gears for me, he said everything was good. Yeah, probably gonna just do like a little quick vlog. But I'm probably just gonna vlog for a little bit today, because I'm not gonna be able to do like a full vlog today. I don't think so. I'm not sure, and I don't think he has a race car, and I don't think his race car is there. So we will definitely see if he has his car there or not. But yeah, and I'm vlogging off my iPhone right now, which you guys can tell. But look at this. Fucking hate this. Not the worst, but still looks good. But I left in a rush, and I had my camera with me. And I literally forgot to take it with me. I went to go wash my hands, and I put it on the couch with my drink, and forgot both of them. But whatever, so we're gonna vlog off the iPhone, and then tomorrow off the camera. Shit, it smells like straight oil, huh?
Tomorrow, so we can vlog the car. I don't have the car here.
What's tomorrow, Saturday? Oh, I mean, I'm gonna come back anyways. I want to come back and see the car. Damn, I'm gonna have to. Is that paint, right? That's paint. I don't know.
I went through everything.
My boy Damien picked it up for me. It's deep as hell, but look at this neighborhood though. Shit stink, bro. It smells like some dirty ass oil.
They have my car stink.
They probably have motor oil in this shit too.
It does. Still got oil.
I was gonna do the fucking the shit. I was gonna do the counting on the you know what I'm saying, we spin the shaft and you mark it just to make sure. But when I looked at the VIN number, it came back as DB8. So I was like, I'm good. Yeah, I got the grease and all that shit in the house. I came with the fork and everything. The starter I'm gonna just give to my boy, because he don't have one because I'm putting my motor in my boy's car. So he don't have a starter, so I was like, you can just take that shit. I can't put that one on my car. I mean, I could, but I got one from AutoZone, so if something goes wrong with that, I got lifetime warranty with it.
That's what I got.
Yeah, and I'm gonna give him. Oh, he gave me the speed sensor. It's an original one too. I mean, got some cleaning to do, but it's not bad though. I don't think that's paint though.
No, that's
just the casing on it. Yeah, I'm gonna just scrub it down. Some degreaser, probably use the pressure washer. The steel on it is still good. Yeah, it's still good. You know, them shits. If that shit goes bad, that shit be leaking from there. Fucking transmissions are expensive, bro.
I gotta look for a GSR one too.
I was gonna get one, and I was gonna pick one up in New Jersey, but the dude was like, "Can I pick it up today?" I was like, "I was at work. I was all the way in Jersey." I was like, "Nah, I'm not gonna go all the way out there. I couldn't." Look at that! I got the FedEx guy. Gotta get some gloves too to take this shit out on it. Actually, I'll probably leave that shit in there, cause I'm not about to leave it. You're right. I'm gonna have to take it out. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this shit. Wait, let me see it. I think I have. Do I have one here? I might. Look here, you can have this.
This is
The black
I'm
guy.
gonna go buy this shit too. No cat. I got the black guys all in my car. I had to light one up the other day. They said
If you light up a black ice,
if you light one of these up in your car and just go around, the smell spreads more.
yeah, cause of course you get some hush. Damn, I gotta take this to the house. Find a spot for it inside. Damn, if you would have told me, bro, I would have definitely came tomorrow.
I was gonna tell you.
How far is the car from here?
Like 5 minutes.
Oh, so it's still far. Oh, it's still all the way
Yeah,
here.
not even. It's like 2 minutes away. It's on that main block, that main road. If you want to go see it, pull over.
Right now?
Yeah.
Let's go real quick then. Come on. Let's keep it. All right, let's go see this fast race car right quick. All right, so we're about to go to his garage. Show you guys this race car. It's not like a street car race car. It's like a race car. So, yeah, show you it. It's a pretty crazy story behind it. Hopefully, let's see if if he'll tell you guys. Cause I mean, a lot of people know about it, but it was his uncle's car that passed away, and you know, he had the car for a long time. So I'm gonna show you guys the car, and I believe that was one of the fastest B series in like 2010, around there. 2010, I think it was. It was like one of the fastest stock block B series, I believe. We'll see. I'm gonna have him tell you guys everything. Oh shit, quiet as hell too. This is crazy because this is my first time. Actually, this is my first time seeing a car too. This is crazy.
This is how it is when you unpack. Only thing that's bad about this garage is it's dark. You'll have to put lights.
Oh, you gotta get a big boy light in here.
I'm not gonna be here for too long.
Damn, this shit is fire. Let me see it. You said it's not cut, right? You said it's not a cut car, right? Oh, well, just doors and shit. Yeah. It's fire. That's full Lexon, right?
Yeah.
She is. Shit is beautiful. I always like these wheels too. The ones we got on the car right now, the Circuit 8s or whatever they call. I think the Circuit 8s.
I think these are Mugans though.
Those are original Mugans?
Yeah,
Oh,
so.
big baller. Oh, the light got a little bit brighter. You got a little brighter.
That's that. Yeah. This is the baby stuff.
This is your motor. You gotta explain everything 'cause I don't know. I know it's a fully built B20V, but I don't know anything else.
It's a fully built B20V on Pro Series manifold, 70mm throttle body, 13-to-1 compression, and Pro 3 cams. Running on C85, we made 258 horsepower and ran 1097.
This is not even all the way turned up. 1097 on fucking basically low power. It's not even on its full potential yet. They lowered it from what it was before, because I know what the power it made before. But yeah, this is basically a little baby ass setup, which is official, you know. And this thing is probably like 65%. It's not even at 100% yet, so it's not even making all the power. You on C85, right? C85 gas? Oh yeah, right. C85 gas. And what you about to do to it next? You about to turn it up all the way?
Yeah, we're gonna turn it up and see what it does. Back in 2015, the car made 330 horsepower.
Yeah, I was telling them I need you to explain to them explain to them the whole car situation, because I know nobody. I mean, OGs know this car, but this is you explain everything.
So this is my uncle's adelso's car. He was when he first got this car, he was 16. So this is his first car ever. And then he passed away in 2015 in a motorcycle accident, the Grand Central. And then I was 13 at the time when he passed away. And he would always take me to the track I would always go have fun. I would always dream of driving the cars and stuff. And he always told me and my cousin, yo, you guys are gonna be my future drivers. So when he passed away, I had the car, and I was like, I can't let it sit no more. I was getting tired of it sitting at home just doing nothing. So I started to get into it, and I took the motor apart, and then I rebuilt it, freshened it up, and then we're here now. Run the car.
And this was the fastest B series. I don't remember if it was stock block or
stock sleeve.
Stock sleeve
B series.
And what was it, like 2010 or 12, right?
2015.
2015, yeah. And this is like baby setup, and it was the fastest. But it was what, New York though, right? Fastest in New York? Fastest in New York. Shit is crazy.
I think all around actually.
Yeah, because I think it was, because I remember seeing it on Nice Ones. I think it was like the fastest B series worldwide.
Yeah.
And this was 2015. So I was telling him, well, he already knows that the technology now with this, and like this thing is going to be, when it gets put to 100%, this shit is going to fly. And what are you trying to get into? What bracket are you trying to get into?
1050 index.
Yeah.
But for next, we got an event coming up next month, and I think I might run the all motor class.
And he's trying to be the first B series in the 9s, right? First B series all motor in the 9s.
M1. On M1.
Yeah, because you don't see 85, man.
There's nobody here who's done it on M1 yet. So.
And the fastest, what's the fastest this car's ran in 2015? It was 10.4, right?
1094.
1094.
Yeah. So now we're really gonna see what the potential has in the car, and we're gonna turn it up and see what it really does.
Yeah, all the technology, my boy gonna be flying. And the cars are what, like probably 65%, right?
Yeah, I'll say like 70%, 60%.
They're about to soon turn it up. About to soon send it to the moon. And this car's not cut, as you guys seen. It's a full car inside. Like literally just cut doors. That's about it. Can't cut this car. This is like a living legend car right here.
I'm just continuing the legacy.
And this thing is super mint. Fuse. Alright guys, I just got back home right now. It didn't take that long to get back actually. But yeah, that's my boy Damien. It's crazy is I met him through my daughter's swimming class. He used to watch, he watches the videos, and we became really cool. And yeah, so shout out to my boy Damien for picking up that transmission for me, and letting you guys know about his car and stuff. We're gonna get some more content with that car and some upcoming events. He wants me to come out there and stuff like that. So yeah, we're definitely gonna do that. I kind of want to hit some events too. Hopefully when this car is done. I'm not trying to get the fastest time. It could be a 12-second run, 11, doesn't really matter to me. I just want to go out there, have fun. But yeah, I got this trans in the car. I'm going to leave the transmission in the car for today, because right now it's dark, so I got to find a spot for it in my house. Make sure to hit the like button, comment down below, and please, if you're watching this video, make sure you have your notifications on and subscribe, because YouTube right now is actually not letting people notifying people that I'm uploading, and it's not showing like in their subscription box. So if you could do me a favor, make sure you are subscribed and have your notification on, so you guys could be notified when I upload, because yeah, YouTube is just fucking everything up right now for me, as you guys seen with my last 2 videos. The videos are still getting views, but it's like they fucked my whole algorithm up. So hopefully they fix that so I get back on track. And yeah guys, build to enjoy. Peace out.